Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed the dolphin animal in Heartopia Wellfall event. So guys, the dolphin is the animal from the Wellfall event in Heartopia, and you're going to find the dolphin's trough first. It's right here at the Wellfall Canyon. Let me show you the dolphin's trough location. It's right here, guys. At the Wellfall area. Then you're going to fill the trough with the dolphin's food. I'm going to feed the dolphin with my fruits and also the dolphin's favorite fish. Okay, and then we're going to fill the trough. Then we're going to look for the dolphin. Usually it's around here, and once we find the dolphin, we can feed them. Alright, this is the dolphin. I'm going to follow the dolphin, guys. Oh, it's too fast. Okay, I've already filled the trough. Let me try it one more time. Okay, and I'm going to feed the dolphin. And okay guys, that's how you can feed the dolphin in Heartopia Village event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.